Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and as you know that we started the chapter 6 magnetism in physics. Okay, and I told you the magnetism and the type of magnet. Got it? And today we will just discuss about the magnetic material, non-magnetic material, property of magnet, law of magnet, and along with magnetic field. Got it? So first of all, what is the magnetic material? All those material which are attracted by the magnet are called the magnetic material. Okay, all those material which are attracted by the magnet are called the magnetic material, like iron, nickel, cobalt, or gadolinium. Okay, these are the example of the magnetic material. After that, non-magnetic material. What are the non-magnetic material? Opposite of the magnetic material. Means all those materials which are not attracted by the magnets are called the non-magnetic material, like wood, plastic, rubber, and glass. Got it? Now, property of magnet. What is the property of magnet? Here especially we will talk about the directional property of the magnet. Got it? So according to this property, when you just take a bar magnet and tie it from its center and suspend the bar magnet by an angle, so after some movement the magnet just stop and align in particular two directions. These directions are north and the south. Okay, so this is the directional property of the magnet, in which after suspended the bar magnet, it aligned in only two directions, and these directions are north and south. So it is the directional property of the magnet. And one more thing, the part of the magnet which stops after alignment in the north direction is called the north pole. It is the north pole. And the part of the magnet which stops after the alignment in south direction is called the south pole. Got it? So it is the north pole of the magnet, it is the south pole of the magnet. Got? Now, law of magnetism. What is the law of magnetism? According to this law, when two different poles of two magnets are put opposite to each other, they attract to each other. Means दोनों ही magnets एक दूसरे की ओर आती हैं. And when the same pole of different magnets are put opposite to each other, they repel to each other. Means दोनों ही magnets एक दूसरे से दूर जाएंगे. So these are the law of magnetism. Got it? Now, magnetic field. What is the magnetic field? The region around the magnet. The region around the magnet where the force of attraction and the force of repulsion can be felt is called the magnetic field. Okay, and this magnetic field is felt because of the magnetic line of force, as you can see around the magnet. Got it? Here some characteristics are there of the magnetic line of force. First one, that magnetic line of force are always in curved shape, as you can see here around the magnet. And the direction of the magnetic line of force is always north to south direction outside the magnet. Got it? The direction of the magnetic line of force is always north to south outside the magnet. And inside the magnet, what is the direction of the magnetic line of force? That is south to north. Okay, south to north. I am repeating again that the direction of the magnetic line of force is always north to south outside of the magnet, and the direction of the magnetic line of force inside the magnet is south to north direction. Got it? And as you can see here, that magnetic line of force always crowded at a pole. Okay, the strength of magnetic line of force are maximum on pole. Okay, the strength of magnetic line of force are maximum on pole. It means the power or the force of attraction and the force of repulsion is maximum on pole of magnet. Got it? So today I told you the magnetic material, non-magnetic material, property of magnet, law of magnet, and magnetic field. So these were some important topics which we covered today in this video. In next video we will just discuss some other topic of this chapter. Till then you just keep practicing. Thank you.